Azure AI Foundry is a trusted platform that empowers developers to dive into innovation and shape the future with AI in a safe, secure, and responsible way. Azure AI Foundry is designed for developers to build generative AI applications on an enterprise grade platform. Explore, build, test, and deploy using cutting edge AI tools and machine learning models grounded in responsible AI practices. And you can collaborate with a team for a full life cycle of application development. With Azure AI Foundry, you can explore a wide variety of models, services, and capabilities and get to building AI applications that best serves your goals. The Azure AI Foundry platform facilitates scalability for transforming proof of concepts into full-fledged production applications with ease, and continuous monitoring and refinement for support long-term success. The Azure AI Foundry portal is organized around your goals. Generally, as you develop with Azure AI, you will likely go through a few distinct stages of project development. The first one is going to be define and explore. In this stage, you define your project goals and then explore and test models and services against your use case to find the ones that enable you to achieve your goals. Second one is build and customize. In this stage, you're actively building solutions and applications with the models, tools, and capabilities you select. You can also customize models to perform better for your use case by fine-tuning, grounding in your data, and more. Building and customizing might be something you choose to do in Azure AI Foundry portal or through code and the Azure AI Foundry SDKs. Either way, a project provides you with everything you need. And third, access and improve. In this stage, you will be looking for where you can improve your application performance. You might choose to use tools like tracing to debug your application or compare the evaluation to hone in on how you want your application to behave. You can also integrate with safety and security systems so you can be confident when you take your application to production. So if you are an admin or leading a development team and need to manage teams' resources, project success, coda, and more, you can do that in the Management Center. Using a project also enables connectivity to other services such as Azure AI Services and Azure Storage. Azure AI Foundry is monetized through individualized product customer success and consumed in the platform, which includes API and models to complete AI toolchain and responsible AI into enterprise-grade production at scale products. Each product had its own billing model and price. The platform is free to use and explore. Pricing occurs at a development or deployment level. Azure AI Foundry is available in most regions where Azure AI services are available.